From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100 has rallied early during the trading session on Thursday again as we continue to see a huge push higher. Ultimately, I think this is a market that will try to find its way to the 18,000 level, but we may have a little bit of work to do before we get there. Short-term pullbacks at this point in time will continue to look like buying opportunities from everything I see on the charts. And therefore, I do think that you have a scenario where people are going to be looking at this through the prism of trying to find value. We are in the midst of earnings season, and of course that has its say. And despite the fact that Tesla's earnings were somewhat miserable, it appears that traders are willing to look past that and continue to pump this market higher. The NASDAQ 100 has been on fire for some time, and quite frankly, I don't really see what is going to stop it at this point. We do have a bit of support near the 16,950 level, which I think being previous resistance is now your short-term floor. The 20-day EMA is right there as well, so that obviously comes into the picture also. Any pullback at this point in time has to be looked at through the prism of a potential value play, and you would be remiss to think that you have an opportunity to sell this market because, quite frankly, it's just ripping straight in the air. Eventually, this is going to end, and once it does, it will end poorly. But right now, that doesn't seem to be the case. And if interest rates start dropping again, which they have been early during the trading session, that will only add more fuel to the fire. Remember, it only takes about 7 stocks doing well to push the NASDAQ 100 higher. And that might be part of what we're seeing here as well, because it's all about the same usual suspects. You know, the Teslas, the Amazon, Microsoft, NVIDIA, etc., etc.